Good morning, everybody. And I would like to say my shout out for the month of July. Today is July 31st, Friday 2020. And thank you to you, Probinsyanang Mahiyain. If you have not subscribed to Probinsyanang Mahiyain, please do so. And very supportive and legit friend, what are you waiting for? Probinsyanang Mahiyain is monetized channel. Please don't skip her ads. And shout out to you, Probinsyanang Mahiyain. The next one is Elise Macel. Hey Elise, how are you? Thank you for the super chat. And shout out to you. I hope you keep on working on your watch hours and you get your watch hours soon, because Elise is not yet monetized, so she's been working on her watch hours. Shout out to you, Elise Macel from Arkansas. And thank you, Elise. Just keep working. And I have Simply Jen. Shout out to you, Simply Jen. And thank you for the super chat. And I would like you to guys to, what is this? English is getting crazy because I just wake up. I would like to, what is my brain thinking? Anyway, if you have not subscribed to Simply Jen, the channel has been monetized. And please guys, don't skip the ads. Thank you very much everybody. So, ganyan lang ang ating mukha pagising sa umaga. Pumasok agad sa office room at nag-YouTube na. Ganyan. But anyway, it's not that bad. It's just bad is the acne. But don't be scared to make a video with nothing in your face. Because that's what we are, how we are. Don't be scared to people will judge you, because nobody is perfect. Just learn to love who you are, whether you have makeup or not. So, thank you to all my super chatters, everyone. I would like to introduce to you these are the super chatters for the month of July. Probinsyanang Mahiyain, Elise Macel, and Simply Jen. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye-bye for now.